You might have heard stories of YouTubers who have become millionaires overnight, buying lavish homes and sport cars. But is this a realistic expectation for the majority of creators? Let's find out. The myth of the overnight success. First off, let's dispel a common myth. Becoming a millionaire on YouTube overnight is extremely rare. While there have been a few cases of creators blowing up and gaining millions of subscribers in a short period of time, this is not the norm. In fact, many successful YouTubers have been creating content for years before they see significant financial success. So, how do you make money on YouTube? There are several ways: ads, sponsorship, merchandise, and more. But in order to make significant income, you need to have a large following and consistent content that keep viewers engaged. The money in advertising. One of the main ways YouTubers make money is through advertising revenue. Essentially, YouTube pay creators a percentage of the money they make from ads that are placed on their content. The amount you make depends on several factors, such as the number of views your video gets, the type of ads displayed, and the geography location of your viewers. The key to making money from advertising is having a large and engaging audience. Many creators start out make only a few cents per view, but as their following grows, so does their earnings. YouTube also has different monetization requirements, so make sure to check this out.